Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Genesis G70. First, make sure your vehicle is completely locked. Then, press the lock button on your key fob once. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button for about 3 seconds. Your G70's lights will flash, and the engine will start, allowing it to warm up or cool down before you get in. Another convenient way to remote start your G70 is through the Genesis Connected Services app. Download the app to your smartphone and log in with your account. From the app's main screen, you can easily select the remote start function. This method offers greater range and allows you to set climate control preferences before starting the engine. When using remote start, remember a few key points. Your G70 must be locked for the feature to work. The engine will usually run for about 10 minutes before automatically turning off. Always ensure your vehicle is in a well-ventilated area, especially when starting it in an enclosed space like a garage. If your remote start isn't working, first check your key fob battery or your app's internet connection. The benefits are clear. You can precondition your G70's cabin, making it warm in winter or cool in summer. This convenience saves you time and ensures a comfortable driving experience from the moment you step inside.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.